make the show smarter.
She tells the Mac, quote, "No one is going to think the earth is flat," referring to this comment made by Sherri Shepherd.
Is the world flat?
Is the world flat?
Yes.
I don't know.
What do you think?
I never thought about it, Whoopi.
Rosie adds, "When I was at home watching that, I thought I was going to have an aneurysm." Other possible changes? Less celebrities. She tells Variety, "The necessity for celebrity in daytime TV has diminished as access to celebrity has increased 100-fold.
And you know what? This is a huge deal.
One-time queen of daytime signed a multi-million-dollar one-year contract, which means she can bail if the show turns into a debacle like her last appearance in 2007.
Big, fat, lesbian, loud Rosie attacks innocent, pure Christian Elizabeth.
But don't expect the same O'Donnell this time around. The mother of 5 married Michelle Rounds in 2012 and claims she comes in peace. "First of all, I was going through a divorce. That was a very emotionally and tumultuous time in my life. Now, I'm quite happily married."
Well, all eyes will certainly be on Rosie when The View returns September 15th, but I want to know, how do you think she'll stack up against Whoopi and new co-hosts Rosie Perez and Nicole Wallace? Tweet me at DDirecto using the hashtag ETNow. For ETNow, I'm Denny Directo.